Doesn't look bad. I'm gonna try 1,000 shares. Or it's like 10 cents here. Just because the setup's so nice. They gotta eat through these walls here, but over that should be good to go. And like I always say, don't blindly follow me, guys. I'm just doing what I do. Yep. Trying to reject it. I'm trying to be patient with it just because the setup's so perfect. What's up, Laws? Good morning, Jesus. H.C. Wainwright just pulled out an $8 target. Okay, I missed that part. It's sitting right here just waiting. Watch it do like a fake out move to the downside though, and then fake me out. I'd say safely needs to get through like 12.10 for the push. Refresh there. So you see the refresh that just happened? Discipline. It was hitting a very small wall, a lot of volume going through, and nothing was happening. There we go, 12.50. Okay. Yes. Took half off. That's a break. That's an ascending triangle break right there. Let's go. Keep going. Don't fade. See that 56? Come on. Don't fade all the way back. No. Okay, we're above now. Bid's coming in. Bid's walking up. 12.20 is their hero. Yeah, that's a 50-cent pop there. Only sold half, though. $12.20 is their hero. I really don't want to see him to go away. And I say that because that's the biggest bid for miles. Yep, he just got smashed. We're still over the breakout range, though, so that's why I'm staying in for now. This candle goes red, though. I am 100% out the rest. Ew. Yeah, this is not looking too hot. Since we're this low, I'm doubling down, risking 12. Whoa. What am I seeing on this thing? Thought it was going to go there for a second, and then now we're just fading off. They tried to break it down there. They couldn't. Now the bids are coming back up. Hey, what's up, Simon? All good. You haven't really missed anything. Yeah, I'm trying to be super careful. The bids can definitely wash out very quickly here. Yeah, I'm taking it. Well, I made $272 on it. So 27 cents on that first 1,000 I took out. Glad I sold half. I don't know if I want to play this again, though. It's still in play, absolutely. It closed over 12, too. Don't you do it. I hesitated for just a second there, guys. Little refresh action here. I want to say thanks for hanging out, guys. Thanks for the likes, comments, just being here. Helps the stream out a lot. Come on. Don't fake out again. Don't you fake out again.
VRNA.
There we go. Saw what happened. Uh-oh. Not a frozen order again. There we go. Scout half again. You guys saw what happened last time. I want to see a push, though. Keep going. Because we didn't really get anything new at 8:30. This is still in play. Closed over 12. Kind of missed my 12:15 entry, but I'm at 12:29. 1,000 left. It's going to fade all the way off, isn't it? Oh my gosh. This one is terrible for that. Looks super strong for a second, and then the buys just completely stop. You gotta be kidding me. Literally the same exact thing that happened before. And I let it happen twice. I'm not gonna double down this time. I'm just gonna ride this 1,000. Risk got 1220. Hey, there's a hero. 5K. Okay, there we go. 1258.
ASC.
So it's just trying to make people think it was doing this again. You didn't fool me.
PFLT.
It still may do it before the candle's over, though. There's still 3 minutes left.
REI. SCRM. Veru.
There's some volume. See what we're looking on the daily here. Whoa. Gotta go to the weekly. So we are at 13 right now. Weekly wick at 13. Let's go. Come on, baby. Let's go another half here, 13. So 13 wick on the weekly. A little bit of action at 13 on the weekly. But there's really not much, guys. 13 to 15 is really the next levels. Why is this up again? I'm playing it just on volume. I don't even know why it's up. Good earnings, huh? Oh, wait. Good earnings and they meet primary endpoint for phase 3. Okay, cool. Let's just let it ride then. Let's go. Yeah, usually that news, Broda, is a given, you know? Like, okay, you exercise your warrants. Congratulations. So good short on that. Okay, I want to see it hold 1260 now.
TMBR.
Okay, maybe 1250 then. 1250 to 1260 needs to hold. Still good bids within this range, 1245 to 1255. Only got 500 left, but that's a nice move. Thanks for putting my eyes back on it. Somebody said it. Who was it?
Stem.
Oh, Gerard. Yeah, Gerard. Thank you. Appreciate it. The fact that it broke over 12, wicked hard, but held 12 was big.
Tops.
Because that just suckered in more shorts right here. Appreciate it, Gold Money. Okay, it should hold this level.
HSDT. UEC.
Yeah, this was key. This level right here could not break down below 12. One minute still holding up. Next 1 minute could push to back to 13. We'll see. It's set up to push back to 13. Okay, 85, 90. Hero bid. Bada bing, bada boom. Just like that. It is nice to see correct reactions, guys. A little rejection there, 13. We need one more volume surge through 13 here. If not, we might fade. Don't kill my hero bid. Okay, I'm out. I am out.